Hi everyone. Welcome back to Today, we're going to focus on relieving back pain with 5 simple and effective yoga poses. Let's dive in. First up is the cat-cow stretch. Start on all fours, with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. For cat pose, arch your back up towards the ceiling and tuck your chin to your chest. Hold for a few seconds. Then, switch to cow pose by lowering your belly towards the mat, lifting your head and tailbone. Repeat this sequence 5 times. Next, we have child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward while lowering your forehead to the mat. Breathe deeply and hold this position for about 30 seconds to a minute. Now, let's move into downward facing dog. From all fours, lift your hips up and back, straightening your legs and arms to form an inverted V. Keep your heels slightly lifted if needed and hold for 30 seconds. Our fourth pose is the bridge pose. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes and engaging your core. Hold for 20-30 seconds, then slowly lower back down. Lastly, let's do the seated forward bend. Sit with your legs extended in front of you. Reach forward towards your toes while keeping your back straight. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing deeply. And there you have it, 5 basic yoga poses to help alleviate back pain. Incorporate these into your routine, and remember to listen to your body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this.